today we will presenting about our new product, which is 3FD 3D Fun Deco. So I will pass the presentation to my fellow marketing members. She's Papi, Miss Papi.
Okay, excuse me, sorry. New Generation Sanare is a company which majoring in animation and application development company based in Cyberjaya, Malaysia. For the past year, since formed in June 2013, our main emphasis has been on research and development of AR product. One of the objectives of the company is to bring AR technology to Malaysia's markets. We are launching our very first product, 3D Fun Deco. Introduction. 3D Fun Deco is an application developed using augmented reality (AR). It's an interactive application that can help boost the students' attention to be more focused and attracted during class. This is an application where users are able to show their creativity in house decoration and something about the manual and requirement. And this is for manual and requirement. System requirement, Windows XP, Pad 3, 32-bit or later Macs, OS 10.5, leverage or later, with pre-install 3D Max or Altis Maya or any other 3D designing software, and memory and hard disk. Memory requirement 1 gig or more, hard disk minimum 100 megabyte for software installation only. And my friend
actually the design flow for this project is categorized into 7 steps. First, box preparation. Actually, we provided a box with the toys, but because we believe that if something happened during the playing time to one of the hardware, I think the playing time cannot be interrupted, and some physical toys are allocated into the box that doesn't interrupt the playing time for the kids. And after that, based on the we provide a schema for the markers that the user before attaching and provide and preparing the software can understand that which marker goes to which object. After that, we just create a test file on DFK file format on the desktop. In the proceeding step, the camera must be attached to the laptop, and the angles and the adjustment must be done. And after opening the box and put the markers in the tasted places, it's ready to use.
So I'll continue with the sales strategy. Okay. So basically, our initial focus will be education in Malaysia. So we will directly distribute our item, promoting our item to the Ministry of the Education of Malaysia. So the tender is open because actually Ministry of Education of Malaysia are very open to look for something new for their syllabus. Okay, so this is our target user, which is preschools and primary school student, or basically end user from age 4 to 12. But for this very first batch, we will focus on the preschool and primary school, and we will go through the Kementerian Pelajaran Malaysia or the Education Ministry of Malaysia. So basically, why? What preschool and what primary school? In Malaysia, we have more than 20,000 preschool all over the Malaysia. Okay, this is just the government preschool, not the private yet. So in the same time, for the next batch, maybe we can expanding our product to the private sector. And then for the primary school, we have over than 7,000 primary schools all over Malaysia. Okay. So why we choose this target user and how they can implement this application in their classes. So basically, 3DFD is suitable to be used in this both situation. Okay, the first one is in the situation for the preschool. Okay, they can implement during the creativity and aesthetic component. Okay, this is one of the components that need to be applied during the in the school syllabus for the preschool. And I think Malaysia should be known that in the primary school we have a kemahiran hidup, so we can use this application also during the kemahiran hidup. So this application should be very interesting to attract student to be more attracted to the study. Okay, so this is the financial. Okay, so the target selling is 10,000 units, which is we will take the tender. We will get the tender from the Ministry Education of Malaysia. Okay, so the first target selling is 10,000, which is 7,000 units for the preschools and 3,000 units for primary school. So this is made for the first batch. Maybe we will concentrate on the urban area first. So the calculation of the target selling, okay, the cost is 121,997 ringgit. So this is basically how we spend the cost. Okay, we have 3 machines to develop this application. Okay, and the manpower is around 60,000 for 5 person. And then the material packaging and distribution is including the box, the packaging, and the distribution to the school and everything. And not forgetting the marketing. Marketing is very important, so we need to spend some money to the marketing area. Okay, so the selling price should be 200 per unit. Okay, 200 per unit is including the maintenance service, which is we will come to the schools maybe twice, not once for 2 months or something. This we will discuss on how the Kementerian will ask us for the maintenance. So the price is 200 including the maintenance. Okay, times 10,000 unit for the first target, and we will get 2 million ringgit. So the profit is around 1,800,000 ringgit. Okay, so the revenue duration is within 6 months. Okay, if we can sell this in next 2 months, we will definitely get all the money back before the end of this year. Okay, so basically, AR can develop such an integrated application, and just like my friend told before, that our objective is to commercialize the AR technology in Malaysia. So we really confident that this technology can be commercialized in Malaysia. So I will pass to my development team for the demonstration.
Actually, I should add that for the cost, actually the price and the cost for after selling services and customer services can be added to the cost that we calculate.
This is the first project,
The first 3D toy.
3D toy, just for trying. After that, we are going to show you the augmented reality in Magic Box. Just check this out. Some software or application by the name of Maya for make a 3D object and Illustrator application for make or create marker. But before it, if it's interesting, you can draw the marker by handwriting, and then you can convert it by Illustrator application to real marker. And then, of course, you can use Photoshop, doesn't matter, whatever you like. And then we should input the 3D object in diffusion application. So we need to have 3 application. When we open the diffusion studio for make a augmented reality, first we should configure the project, choose the title and resize the project. After that, we should add the 2D object for definition camera, and after that, our next step is add the 3D object. After we put the 3D object, we should put some script for playing or for the 3D object, and then yes, next step is we should choose the marker. We should click on Tools menu and Confusion. Then we can choose the marker.